think you should be.
What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Neo. So by popular request, I believe from, let's see, I wrote the names down. We have Cole Wheeler. Shout out to Cole Wheeler. Shout out to Douglas Gomez, or Gomes. And then shout out to, I believe it was Press Play. Those three subscribers have referred Neo as the popular cryptocurrency to review. So that is what we are going to do today. So let's just load up Neo to, I'm going to do USD on Bitfinex. Cool. Now that's loaded. Let's go onto the cryptocurrency market cap and refresh. Also, before that, so as you guys know, we did reach a milestone and we hit 1,000 subscribers for the video, and we are growing since then. I think in a day we're now at 1,056 subscribers, so that is awesome. So I did want to do a giveaway. I got a brand new extra large shirt that says Bitcoin. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. Let's see if I got a better view. Bitcoin. So if you guys are interested in winning that shirt, because I'm going to raffle it off, leave a comment below saying that you have subscribed, that you have turned on post notifications, and that you have entered in the raffle, I guess. I don't know what else I'd want to do. Basically, subscribe, post notifications are on, and tell me that you have entered the raffle. So say raffle or something so I know that you want to win this shirt. Otherwise, let's look at the crypto market capitalization. As you can see, market dominance, 300 billion. Very interesting. Bitcoin dominance is up 43%, but the market cap is now 300 billion. So believe it or not, last time we checked, we were at like 470 billion. So we have definitely come down. It was 360 all of like 2 days ago. So we are on a decline. You'll notice all crypto does seem to be going down today. So that's very interesting. Moving on to Litecoin. I'm going to zoom in on this chart. Very interesting pattern we have here on the daily. You'll notice we have basically came down to retest this bottom chart right here. Checking out whether or not we can maintain this or if we're going to break down and go lower. It would be unfortunate to see this price drop lower down, but it is definitely possible after a run like this. So what I'd like to see is this candle move upwards, but that's pretty much what's going to tell whether or not we go up or down for Litecoin, is to see whether or not this candle can close above this, I guess, line of resistance now, or whether or not we're going to go below it, and then it's going to act as a downtrend. But hopefully we can turn around and continue up higher off that, but we will find out soon. This is a line, though, of support, I believe, for Litecoin. I'm going to go onto the 4-hour chart so we can get a better look. See. All right, so this line right here at the 144, I guess, does act in resistance, acts as support right around here. So 142 for this cryptocurrency. So we'll see if Litecoin does a quick bounce off of the 144 if we break out and go down. Otherwise, I'd like to see a reversal and continue up and go up higher to retest the E point, because we are, as you know, at the end of the daily chart for this altcoin. You see we are on a decline, so it'll be very interesting. But like I said, I did want to see a run on the top and then hopefully a pop upwards. But as for right now, very tempted to see what happens on the daily. And as you know, just because, I want you guys to keep this in mind, just because we are below it right now does not mean that we can come up. You notice we can still go down, but like we've done here numerous times, these candles have come down below it, and then we've had a reversal and it comes back up. So yes, numerous times it's gone below this line, but for the most part it stays above, and then it broke up higher. So it's possible for this to come down lower, but to close up higher and then move upwards. It's very possible. But as for right now, we do seem to be in a bearish movement, but expect or anticipate that there can be a move upwards into the crypto on Litecoin. As for Bitcoin, let's check that out. Bitcoin doing the same thing, same standard pattern as for yesterday. You can see we are still slowly coming back down to approach the, I believe it is the $7,200 mark. That is where it needs to go right now. And as you can see, we are doing that ever so perfectly. I don't know why that's there. Let me get rid of that. You can see we've made the C point, and now we are coming back down to get us a D point on the Elliott wave. And then I would expect to see a move higher up into the 9,000 area dollar range, and then hopefully an anticipated breakout out of that, which would be nice to see because we haven't had that in a long time in the crypto world. Moving on to Ethereum. I'd like to say Ethereum is on a downtrend now. This is looking like we have broken out of this descending triangle and we are pushing lower. So definitely can see some support at the 49 or 4600 range, 470 or $460 range. That seems to be the area of support for Ethereum as it comes down. The $500 range and 470. In that area will be support for Ethereum when it comes down. But otherwise, we are looking bearish on Ethereum. That is very obvious to tell, seeing that we have broken down from that line of support you can see right here. But keep in mind, not sure, there we go. Keep in mind, though, that we are oversold on the RSI for the 4-hour chart. So that is a good indication that we will eventually come back up very soon in Ethereum. Moving on to Neo. Let's check out Neo. Very nice coin. You guys said very undervalued, so I definitely want to check this out. You said it did have a huge dip, and I am seeing that now. That is very, very, very obvious. We are on the daily, so I would like to draw some lines of support so that we can get a better look at Neo. So my first inference is that there is a huge line of support right around here, the $27 mark, and we will draw some more. This is an uptrend, not that it's important anymore, but just so you guys have a better understanding and following, this is an uptrend right here, and then this would be a downtrend right around here. Something like that, acting as a longer range of resistance. Something like that. Oh my god, it's not letting me draw it. Sorry, guys. Something like that, yeah. Would be a long-term downtrend. Now, in the immediate, we do see a very nice, I know it's not nice in your regard, but a very clean downtrend right here. Very, very, very clean, if you guys can see that. So basically, in a situation like this, Neo is going to continue down until it finds support to bounce off of. Right now, it's going to head down farther until it finds that support. So what we need to look for now is obviously areas of support. You can see here's one. It came down and you can see, bam, caught this, bounced off, traded here for a little bit, but this downtrend made it break lower. And you can see numerous times these touches and points of support. So it's going to continue farther down. The next area of support will be right around here for Neo. So if you guys would like to buy into it, I'm no financial advisor. I say this every video. What you do with your money is completely up to you. I'm just giving you my opinion and what I would do if I was trading this coin. But basically, you can see that on this downtrend, we are oversold right now. So keep that in mind, that there is a chance that we can go lower for sure. There's also more of a chance that we need to come up. But you can see off a run like that and breaking through key support right here, it did go lower, and it went lower really quickly. Because if you look back, you can see how quickly it popped up and went right out of here. So it didn't really build any support for the way down. So where I can see Neo going is it's going to definitely retest the $50, $51 line of support before it decides to go up if it was. But pay attention to this line. I would recommend highly that if you are to buy into Neo, this is the golden range. That if you were to buy this coin, wait for it to come from this line right here and below. This is a golden range right in between these lines, because this is huge. You can see how long it's been trading on that line right there for support. So what I recommend is it really will not break down below $27. So expect to see us come down, and I'd say right at the $50, $51 range, start to pyramid down and add more to your position. So at $51, maybe put in 1/10 of your position. Then if we get to $45, maybe put in 2/10 of your position. So total, you have done 3/10 of what you plan on investing. If we come lower, maybe $38, put in 3/10 again. So now you're at 6/10 of your total position. And if we go all the way low to 28, you can put the rest in. And when you come up, you're practically locking in crypto. You're locking in a profit, because even at a small buy here, if you put in a little bit, it's risky because it's possible chance it can go lower. But you're basically putting in a small amount, but guaranteeing profit. And if you buy really low and that decides to move up, that will be a sufficient amount that will boost you higher and give you more profit. I hope you guys are understanding. If you don't, leave a comment below and I'll try and explain it better. But that's pretty much going to wrap up the video for today, guys. So if you do want to win this Bitcoin extra large shirt, it says, "I accept Bitcoin." Please leave a comment below telling me that you have subscribed, that you have turned on post notifications, and that you are entering the raffle. And otherwise, you can just comment what your top altcoin is so I know what to review for tomorrow. But I will see you guys tomorrow, so peace.